there is a question I found that I want to answer. This is a gasteria. Actually, as you can see, this is variegated. But when you propagate this through leaves, why is that the offsprings doesn't have variegation? The answer is based on my experience. Variegated shoots will only come out naturally, but if you propagate it using leaves, most of the shoots will be uh, non-variegated, like this one. There's another one here. As you can see, the offsprings are variegated, but if you propagate this through leaves, there's no variegation on the offsprings. If you ever found variegated offsprings, uh, it it usually happens a few or sometimes. So if you ever want to have variegated offsprings, wait for it until it's ready to produce offsprings.